and get 2 yums.
Okay.
We came here to see
buried on top of each other.
yeah, I
Body to chair weight ratio. Well, this wraps up our time on the beach for today. So I'll catch it. One or not? On the other pier, you know, that other pier that's down. Oh, we were just asking, do you know which way they set?
Dead cat, dead cat.
Real.
There is a lot of you.
Branch.
Okay.
One's 201 also. The last of these.
Yeah.
This is all subject to the Jim and Pearl rating system.
Yeah.
Not be sad one.
Nope.
Be stuck in any of these sites.
Nope.
Mangroves too. Pearl's working on getting mesmerized. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, and please subscribe by clicking the circle with our pictures on it. Thank you.